Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. We had a dishwasher here that just kept skipping the wash cycle, just kept going straight to drain. It would fill up, would reach its fill cycle, and then would switch right to the drain, and then it would repeat. Fill, then drain, fill, then drain, fill, then drain, and would never go into the wash cycle. Now what this is the solenoid valve here was stuck. And just to say that a little bit more accurately, it's the plunger that was stuck. The plunger is drawn into the solenoid when the solenoid's energized and then released when the solenoid is turned off. You saw it there try to give, but it didn't really give. And it's actually leaking as well. So this one's going to need to be replaced, or the dishwasher replaced. You can see the dishwasher's pretty old, so this one I went with replacing, but wanted to show you the repair anyway and what you can sometimes do to get this going. So here it is in the fill cycle. You can hear the water filling. And here it is, I'm manually lifting the solenoid. And it should be able to do that on its own. So what I did is lubricated the solenoid valve, the plunger there, because that plunger is a little bar that is pulled in by the electromagnet and drawn in the solenoid. Once it's lifted, then it can go through the wash cycle, and then it goes through the drain cycle at its proper time. When the coil gets energized, then the solenoid is drawn down via the electromagnet, pulls the metal plunger in. And this one, by lubricating it, was able to make it work, so it fixed it. But the problem is it was leaking, so it's going to need to be replaced anyway. But just thought I'd show you the fix on that. This is how you can fix one. If you can catch it early, sometimes you can lubricate it. Sometimes you'll have to replace the solenoid valve, or in some instances a new dishwasher. This one was a really old one, so it was just time for a new dishwasher. So the electromagnetic draws the solenoid in, but the spring on the other side pulls it back out. But there it goes, the solenoid was drawn in and it goes through the drain cycle. And the old one wasn't popping up on its own. I mean, and it wasn't popping up on its own, but once it's lubricated, it was able to pop up on its own. So here's that. There it is. See, once it was lubricated, it was able to pop up on its own, but it seems like the moisture from the leak caused it to stop being able to lift on its own. Built up some corrosion on the solenoid. No new solenoid or new dishwasher. On this one I went with a new dishwasher. Yep, was able to fix this one, but because it's leaking, it's time for a new one. Just thought I'd show you how you might be able to fix yours if you had that issue, where it was going straight to drain and never going to the wash cycle. Hope you liked it.